How to create another YouTube channel with the same email. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a new YouTube channel with the same email. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to simply open YouTube and then you're going to click on your profile here at the top right. Once you do so, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on settings. So click on it and you'll be redirected to settings. Over here at the left side, you're going to click on account and then you'll be able to see something like this that would say your YouTube channel, your channel, and here on the second number, you'll be able to see create a new channel. Simply click on it. Once you do so, they'll ask for your profile picture. So what you got to do is simply select any picture from your computer, type in any name. For example, I'm going to type in something like tutorial. So I'm going to type tutorial, and after that they'll suggest a handle for you, or you can simply type in your own handle. And once you do so, select a picture and click on create channel. And just like that, you have created a new channel over here with the same email. So that's basically how you can create a new YouTube channel using the same email. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.